Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. The outside color is the new Quantum Blue. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 300 Verado. This has the new quick all fill, all check system. Here on the back you'll see this boat has the gray sea deck, a very spacious sun pad with storage underneath. Transom walkthrough, Fusion remote freshwater sprayer, cockpit boarding step. As we come into the boat, you'll see this is the new stone interior, L-shaped seating in the back, very spacious for all your guests. Battery charger to be able to plug into, ski tow bar for water sports. This does have the sport Bimini top, and it's easily lowered down by these knobs. Making our way forward, you'll see two seats on port and starboard with flip up thigh rise. Here at the helm, you've got your digital throttle shift, your trim tabs, your tilt wheel steering, your upgraded Fusion stereo glass dash, and the very large Simrad screen, which is your GPS and all your gauges at your helm. Over here on the port, you'll see a very spacious head compartment. Making our way through, this also has the bow block off door and plenty of seating forward with flip up armrest. This boat does come with the windlass option and a freshwater sprayer here forward. This concludes the walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.